Owning rental property in Dallas-Fort Worth can be incredibly rewarding. But real profitability doesn't come from rent alone. It comes from knowing exactly where your money is going. From rising property taxes to unexpected maintenance surprises, the landlords who win in this market are the ones who track their operating costs carefully and consistently. Let's walk through what you should be watching. Start with your foundational expenses. Property taxes in Dallas-Fort Worth can shift year to year. Insurance premiums reflect regional weather risks. And maintenance isn't just about small repairs. It includes larger capital replacements like roofs and HVAC systems. Separate routine costs from long-term investments so you can plan wisely. A single system failure can wipe out months of profit. Smart landlords in Dallas-Fort Worth build repair reserves into their strategy, so surprises feel manageable, not overwhelming. Operating costs don't stop when a tenant moves out. Utilities may still run. Vacancy means lost rental income. Turnovers bring cleaning and leasing expenses. And if your property is in a managed community, association dues and assessments must be accounted for year-round. When your expenses are organized and categorized, you gain more than clean records. You gain clarity. Patterns emerge, forecasting becomes easier, and your investment decisions become stronger. If you want smarter reporting, proactive maintenance planning, and expert guidance in the Dallas-Fort Worth market, Red Team Real Estate is ready to help. Let's turn your operating costs into a strategy for long-term growth.